Damon Reese with Sachi Hawaii here. Aloha! Welcome to this week's 60-second open house. Today's open house features a beautiful penthouse in the Harbor Court building, centrally located right on the harbor and across from the world-renowned Aloha Tower. This penthouse is where luxury meets the bustling harbor life here on Oahu. It has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and almost 2,000 square feet of indoor living space. It features beautiful panoramic views, modern exquisite finishings, and hardwood flooring throughout. Come check it out with me! Building is situated near the Aloha Tower with a plethora of dining and shopping options nearby. If you have any questions about this building and this unit in particular, please do not hesitate to give me, Damon Reese, a call. And aloha!